Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Joey Jefferson. Tonight, I am going to talk to some people that survived the explosion that happened last week.
Hey, why are we here?
Well, we are employees from Brian Simpson's workplace. And we are going to be asked some questions about the disastrous explosion that happened last Thursday.
Oh no. Not an interview.
Don't worry, Dave. I'm sure the questions won't be that hard to answer.
Okay, let's start it. So, your names are Amy Black, Kimberly Andrews, Dave Willow and Alan Steinbach. Am I right?
You are so right, Mr. Jefferson. I'm Amy.
Of course. I am Kimberly. Like my name?
I am Dave. And don't make fun of my name or your dad.
Are we going to get on with the topic about the explosion or what? Oh yes, I'm Alan Steinbach.